excited to be here at the first Annual Rain Girl Invitational. Great golf course, and we're supporting a lot of women's products.
It's nice that I know that it's a par 5 and I made eagle. Yahoo!
Beautiful day. Wind is unbelievable. It's making it a definite challenge.
We're having a great time.
We're having a good time.
We need some more
Celebrating our
birdies.
pars.
The golf gods and the good Lord shine down today with this weather. It's been amazing. We've met beautiful people and have had a wonderful time.
It's for women, so we have a lot of the pros bringing a lot of their girls that they work with. There's a lot of people who come from all over the country and the state, and it's so great for me to see a lot of the players I play with in the Legends Tour here supporting it. And everyone is having such a good time. So I'm hoping this is the first one of big things to come and that we can double everything next year.
Thank you everyone for coming and participating in my first Rain Girl Invitational at Deercreek Country Club. I hope you had a great time. The weather was perfect, and I hope to see you again next year.